Hey everyone, and welcome to the unboxing of Samsung HW-B750F Soundbar. Before we open it up, let's quickly run through the specifications so you know exactly what you are getting. This is 5.1 channel system with a total of 6 speakers inside, all delivering a powerful 400 watts of sound split between the bar and the wireless subwoofer. For that immersive cinematic experience, it features DTS Visual X to create a wide overhead sound stage. It also works with Dolby Audio 5.1. It has adaptive sound, which uses AI to optimize your audio in real time, and Q Symphony, which sync the soundbar with compatible Samsung TV speakers. For connectivities, it has Bluetooth but no Wi-Fi. You get an HDMI port, an optical input, and even a USB port for playing your music files directly. It also comes with a great set of sound modes: got standard, game, adaptive sound, bass boost, surround sound expansion, so you can tune it perfectly for your content. Alright, now that we have covered all the features, let's get this box open and see actual product. This is the pack. Power cables, one for the soundbar, one is for the subwoofer, remote control, AAA battery, and wall mount with information pack. See what it looks like. So the top is wood, Formica, metal gray in the front. Also got power on button. Minus is for you to decrease the volume. The plus is for you to increase the volume. And the input or source, select HDMI, optical, or Bluetooth. This is the subwoofer. Decent size. Power cable, the remote, see what it looks like. The battery, AAA battery, the wall mount kit, and the ports. So you got HDMI TV, ARC, USB, and optical. These are the ports. Then the power cable goes here. So take the power cable, connect it to subwoofer, push it inside, plug it on to the socket, take the other power cable, connect it, push it inside, and plug it on to the socket. Remote control, push the cover down, then take the battery, on the right side, the remote negative goes on the top, the positive on the bottom. On the left side, negative on the bottom, the positive on the top. Then slide the cover back up. Switch the soundbar on. Use soundbar remote to switch it on. Showing us TV ARC. Select Bluetooth from BT pairing. We want to connect this using our mobile phone. Now go to your phone settings. Go to connections on your phone. Then switch Bluetooth on. And once you switch Bluetooth on, then scroll down and look for this device, B series soundbar. Select on it. Bluetooth pairing request. Select pair. It's connected. If you look on the soundbar, it will show you BT. This is now connected to Bluetooth with my mobile phone. Initially, it was showing us BT pairing. So we're going to test the audio using upbeat sound. Select. You can see the subwoofer, steady, blue on light. Surround. Bass boost. Game. gain. Adaptive sound. DTS Visual X. Standard. Standard. Surround. This subwoofer. This is subwoofer. Maximum is +6 to subwoofer. If you push it down, reduce the subwoofer, pull it up, increase the subwoofer. The plus is the volume is currently on 22 decibel. volume. 125 decibel. But you can see the reading on the sound level meter. This soundbar deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.